Hey guys, what's up?
No, 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 no.
Today we're going to talk about 3D printed keycaps. These are pretty popular due to its price, and it's a cheap alternative to expensive artisan. Also, it's easily accessible. Just search the 3D files on Google and there they are, ready for you to print. So, I ordered the White Shenron one from Dragon Ball, as I think it will be easier to paint. The order came and it's pretty tight for the first time, but after removing and putting on again, it kinda went loose. Because it's 3D printed, I did expect some cleaning to be done, as it has some hairs. I used a hobby knife to clean the unneeded parts and to define some areas. After that, I contacted a friend to help me paint this keycap, as I don't have any paint at home. We use a spray paint called Tankos, commonly used for graffiti, which I'm not sure what kind of paint it is. I wanted to try two colors, pink and a dark cyan one, with pink as a base color and dark cyan sprinkled on top. And no, we didn't use any primer, as we applied the base coat to hide the imperfection of a 3D printed cap. And lastly, a clear coat to protect the paint. So all in all, it's a decent alternative for its super cheap price compared to a high-end artisan keycap. It looks nice painted and it brings some life into your keyboard. It does need some effort to make it look nice. I also think you can use acrylic paint and brush to get better detail. But make sure to use clear coat, as your fingers might damage the paint over time. And that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Face reveal on 8 likes. Bye-bye!